and welcome to a new video.
So we are here on the floating market.
So this is the Lembang Floating Market, yeah?
Floating market, yeah.
30,000 per head for the entrance, yeah?
So babe, what is interesting that
Oh.
the restaurants are in the boat.
Oh, so this well, the thing is, I think there's only restaurants left now here. Oh, so this is the food, it's already,
There are
yeah, full of restaurants.
yeah, that's so
So
fun.
there's no more actual market, but only,
The restaurants, yeah.
yeah, I'm afraid to eat here. Look at those dolls. Voodoo.
Ah, the dolls.
Ma'am, that's voodoo. Oh,
The food is looking good.
it's looking and smelling good. Smelling like fried goreng baso goreng. Up, up.
You remember that?
Yeah,
nuts?
steamed
Steamed
peanuts again. Guys, you guys still didn't.
Teach us.
Yeah, why are the peanuts steamed?
And here some fried vegetables.
Mm.
Oh my god.
Look at these bananas. What?
How big is this one?
Jesus. Oh, these are the biggest bananas we have ever seen.
Yeah.
Look at one chunk of it, babe.
Oh, we need to buy one.
How heavy is this one? One bunch of bananas, yeah? How heavy it is? Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is so big. I never
Oh, so now I understood, ma'am. You give the bananas the food you cook, that's why they grow so big bananas, yeah? Because you give them good food, yeah?
So she fried the banana, yeah? Wow. Fried banana.
Maybe we'll try it once
Yeah.
more time,
Later,
yeah? Again, later.
for the dessert.
No, they look good.
Try.
This all fried banana, yeah? Only banana. Okay,
Only banana.
we'll try later.
remember this,
Oh, these
we
wheels
tried.
already have
This is good. Sugar.
Yeah,
brown
like
sugar.
brown sugar.
Ronald J. Joe.
But it was called something else, babe. I think this is different. Oh my god, this is like food heaven here, guys.
Yeah. Oh, my god.
Oh, so many things to
So
try.
this is some soup. Wow, and they really came hungry.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm hungry as well.
The perfect one.
The perfect, yes.
Yes.
Chihui. Baso. I don't know. Cilok bakar. Cilok kukus. Cilok goreng, fried. That I know, goreng. Oh, look at this food cart, babe. Oh my god. I'm in love. little one.
Little one is like a food truck, yeah?
Yeah.
Street food.
Oh my god.
And what is this? You
Vegetables. Oh, there's still some vendors here.
Here I think some
Satays. Ah. Jando. Kilnichi. Ayam. Chicken. Rabbit, babe.
strawberry juice there.
Strawberry juice you want? Oh.
This is food heaven.
Oh, guys. Okay, forget about the market. It's all about the food.
This is
Octopus? No. Mozzarella? Corn dog. Oh, corn dog, babe, yeah. Like Japanese, you know. Sausage.
mozzarella.
Sausage.
Sauces. Corn dog.
Yeah.
Ah, this is compagna.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I will have one.
You have one?
Can I have this mozzarella sauces con the dog, please? This is? Okay, one, please.
Okay.
I want to try it
Yes,
when
ma'am.
we take the mozzarella. So did you 25k? No, this is
20.
2,000.
Yes. Green one is 20, babe. Green.
Green.
You do have green one. You should have there. No,
Green.
I remember they gave
I
us
remember.
change from 100,000.
Maybe the
This
20
one, yes.
and 5. I will give 5
Five,
like
No, no,
4.
no, because we need those. No,
we need?
Yes, man, no.
It's just 5 like that.
Yes, 5 better. We have to pay for parking, don't forget.
Sorry.
Oh,
To pay?
cashier.
Cashier.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh, you know, babe. Oh, we forgot.
Do you have a ticket?
Do you need?
Just go to the tell them. Oh, here.
Tax,
10% tax service.
tax service, right, man, more
10%, how much is 10%?
2,500, man. Easy to.
That
No, no,
is
give
like,
5,000, man.
that is like
I think we also have some coin, yeah.
5,000 10%?
No, two. So, do you have a 500, ma'am? Give
500?
one 500 and 5,000. Then we get the notes back, yeah.
Okay, 5,000.
Good.
You have
2,000.
2,000.
We do, but we don't want to give. Oh,
Don't have to give.
well, we need for parking. Don't worry, don't worry.
And what is this coin for?
I don't know.
What is this coin
This
for?
you give here. Yeah, okay. Come give.
But this is like, take my money, take my...
This is best system in the world. Baby.
Both?
Both.
So
Oh.
it's extra 10. What the hell? Okay.
This is 10%
What I-
tax.
I smell, I don't like
What?
this tax, extra tax. What the
Oh,
hell?
don't worry, man. Yeah.
Even it's 1 cent, I don't like.
You are Indonesia. What do you expect? Say thank you because you're not paying everyday tax for being alive and
For
breathing. Yes. Oh no, sorry, ma'am.
It comes with some ketchup and spicy sauce they have, and oh my god, looks so good.
Let me see, baby, your corn dog.
Good. Wow.
The first sauce is.
Exterior. First sauce is spicy, and after that is ketchup.
Oh, okay.
The exterior is too crunchy, a little bit too crunchy, but it's good. Good. I will give it 8.9.
Oh, good.
You try it, baby. We are on, baby.
Off we go.
Off we go. How is it?
Oh,
Yeah?
what is it?
Mozzarella with half mozzarella, half hot dog, or how?
No. I got to the dog part, I believe.
Okay, okay.
No.
How would you rate it?
The sausage. No good.
No?
I don't necessarily like it.
Uh-huh.
So I'll give this like 7.2.
Oh, okay.
Still
Good.
not bad, but not good.
Yeah.
As expected, the rain started, yeah?
Yeah.
So now it's rain. Because, go ahead and check the other video on our other channel, yeah?
Romanians on the road, what activities we done before?
Yeah, to see
Oh my
how much fun
God.
we had. The rainbow slide, guys.
So much fun.
Now, carry on then.
Keep it What is this, ma'am? Rice? Coconut brown. Can I have one? 4 can. Okay, 4, please.
10,000, ma'am, 4 pieces will get.
10,000 for pieces.
Yes.
Pay there as well? Pay there. And how is it called? Ketan Asti.
Then 11,000, ma'am. Don't forget.
This, so this 10,000, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. You
And
bought
we
this
move
rice.
with 20,000. Yes. 20,000, what? This is strawberry with water or with syrup?
Syrup, ma'am.
Syrup.
Syrup and water.
Frozen strawberry with
Yeah.
syrup.
Yes, ma'am. The best ever.
Yeah.
What is this, ma'am?
So this is 20,000. This cost one strawberry. 20K.
Thank you, ma'am.
I don't know how to call this in English. Jeton?
Token.
Token.
Yeah.
So this is one token. So guys, frozen strawberries with water or syrup, you can do
syrup.
whole,
Yes,
but it's not that tasty.
yes, but we don't have home. We don't have strawberry. We don't have freezer. We don't have syrup. We don't have water. Very good.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's
Good.
okay. You can feel the strawberry,
Yes, that's all that
but
matters.
yeah, you want if
No, no,
want
you
to
go
eat
ahead with the other ones. Yeah.
this one. He's trying behind the scenes.
It's good.
Wow! I don't know if you guys never had our traditional Romanian spankove. You don't know.
No, they didn't.
Good,
Like our
right?
pankove. So like a rice flour dough, fried dough.
But they have something inside here, you know, that rice. Yeah, so good. Oh my god. As I expected to be. Honestly. Wow.
Rate, please.
9.9.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Definitely. You try. Oh. So, wait. You already tried the
Juice?
juice. How is it? You are okay in the frame.
I cannot slurp it because of the chunks of the strawberries, you know.
Oh, really?
So yeah.
Oh, that's not good.
Mm.
Oh, no.
I have to blow air into the.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Okay, so now I'll try this one.
How is it? Like pankove? No?
This wasn't one biter. I think it's one biter, but the taste is good, but not that good.
As pankove, parkove are unique.
These are super crunchy, yeah, and they are a bit dry. So you can feel the coconut. She said, I believe it's coconut.
Coconut with rice, yeah? Good, good.
8.3.
Wow, great.
Yeah, decent.
Until you rate it, your juice was gone. When it's gone, it's gone.
Just good.
Just good.
8.7.
Good. Thank you.
Carry on then, babe.
Oh yeah, what is this spicy spice?
Tahu gishrot. Oh no! Oh no!
The big one, the fried pig?
Tahu gishrot, which we try in restaurant, and I was like, oh.
Oh, the
Tofu.
Tofu.
No. We don't like tofu. We don't like, you know, it's an acquired taste. Not for boulet. No good for boulet.
Coconut water.
Yes, ma'am. We can have a coconut after we finish, yeah? Ibu Devi, khas Lembang. Ibu Devi, rice, corn,
Oh, it's not boiled.
grilled rice, ma'am. Chunks of grilled rice. More goreng.
This doesn't look that fresh.
Oh. What is that? Otak otak?
Something happened. Ah, they fried
Yeah, this otak otak? This otak?
tempe. Tempe mendon.
Oh, tempeh. Ah, this is like the,
Tempura.
you know, tempeh, like fermented, like soybean something, yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
Tahu kupat, tahu gempol. No, I'm afraid of this. I don't know. No, what is that white thing there?
I think it's cheese.
Cheese? Yeah.
That one is cheese. Macaroni. It's rice.
Rice. Oh.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
The rice comes with some
Ah,
sauce,
yeah.
but it's nice made. Oh,
Oh, opa.
our favorite. Oh
Mia
my God.
te goreng.
Who will have noodles? Mother.
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 Good.
Looks and smells good. Oh, smells spicy.
Exactly what you need. What we need.
Yes, I
Oh
think
my
we shall
God.
take one.
Yeah, we'll take one definitely. I'm shaking now because I think we'll be so good. I think
Why so weak, bullet? Oh, this is pickled onion.
pickled onion
Good.
with some chili pepper.
Oh, we have to
The
pay.
same.
Same.
One.
Pay, ma'am.
25 ruble
25 plus tax, yeah?
plus tax. So here's mie ace. Mie ace.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera, tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todas esas poses que tú conoces gracias a mi mujer. Ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde sea. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.
The taste.
The taste, please.
I saw he put some ketchup in there, some...
Wow. It's good, but it's so spicy. Oh my God, it's
That's
so
why it
spicy.
smells, guys. It chokes you.
This is spicy, baby.
While waiting for it to be finished, you could... yeah,
Burn.
yeah.
Burn your mouth.
Yeah, exactly. Your nostrils are getting blocked by the spice. You should try some, exactly, the one
And
in...
you have this biryani as well, spicy.
Oh my god, I'm sure about this for you. Now, let's do some crying now.
I get used to it. I think first bite is
Ah.
much more spicy.
Okay. Mhm.
You know how this happened?
Yeah, usually that's how it happens.
But it's still spicy.
Mhm.
But I like it, yeah. It's tomato-based sauce. Tomato-based sauce, yeah?
Yeah, I saw him, yeah.
And yeah, it's good. It's good. I mean, till now the food here was so good. I rated like 8.7.
Thank you, ma'am. Good. Nice and big.
Your turn, always.
I think there's also some protein, some kind of meat.
Could be.
Well, it smells a bit peanutty as well. Oh yeah, it's got that kick.
Which kick, baby? My mouth is burning.
That initial kick bit.
Yeah.
It's good, yeah. The spiciness is good. Bean sprouts. Bread. What's this mean? It's some chili, yeah? Must be.
Yeah.
Some chili, some tomato. Oh yeah, you chop some tomato.
Alright.
I like the noodles. Let me try the.
The noodles is good, the noodles texture.
It's now or never, guys.
Oh, come on. I think you get used with spice, baby, because for you it's not that spicy.
Oh, this one that I took it is.
Oh my god. But I mean, for me, the noodles was much more spicy than you said is.
Oh no.
My mouth is burning even now.
Yeah, maybe after, you know.
Maybe.
Yeah, kicks more after, you see. Oh, you found it.
Meat.
I think there's a chunk of chicken in here, baby.
Oh. Okay. How the noodles are overall?
We did this like 8.9.
8.9.
Yeah, they're good.
What was my rate? I think almost the same, yeah? 8.7 or?
The sauce I don't like because it's a bit sweet.
Yeah.
From
I
all
know
that
it.
ketchup and also some tomato, but yeah, it's very, very edible.
Yeah.
Good job on this one.
I'm so happy that we bought this one.
Yeah, me too. Din some baby, no. Bola obi.
Okay.
Obi sounds kind of familiar. Oh, Mikok. Guys, this name for me is so funny. Mikok. What? Oh, those our friends told her about the snails.
Snails.
Oh, Palado original.
Would you like to try? I don't want to try. Would you like?
No.
Try.
Okay, let me try. Yeah, why not? Pay, man, pay.
Pay 50.
Pay.
Okay, 50.
Pay. One spicy, one not spicy. Spicy. This spicy too. Both spicy. No spicy. No spicy. So you don't want to try? No.
I am okay.
Yeah,
I
good.
would say. Wait. You stand up, okay?
Yeah, but I don't know how are you supposed to eat them?
Just shallow or how?
No, just the. Oh yeah.
You remember how you did in Pinatuan?
Yeah.
I think on the other.
No, because I don't know.
Alright.
I don't know if this one has anything.
Okay, try better, yeah. The other one.
No, this is a struggle.
Okay, so struggle, sit down. Be patient. Oh, okay. Ooh.
Let me try now.
Yeah.
No?
No, that one. That one doesn't have. Next one.
No? Wait.
Coming?
Yeah?
Wow. Okay.
Um,
No.
it wasn't cleaned like properly, I think. Yeah?
Oh, okay.
Let me try to adjust the. But as a texture, they are gummy.
Gummy. Well cooked. Too cooked.
I don't know, probably. They are gummy. They are with sand. A bit spicy, but nothing really.
Uh-huh.
Spicy, but no,
No,
these are not
not a good business.
not that delicious or anything. Yeah.
Not like that one from Hinatuan.
Oh my god, those were so good.
Yeah.
Almost. You cannot. I don't know.
No,
Yeah.
no. So leave it. Maybe next time.
Yeah. Let me try one more.
One more. Ah, it's coming from top.
Okay.
What the hell? Okay.
On this other side.
Alright.
Yeah. And they are a bit sweet, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Once you get to the actual thing inside.
Yeah.
But nah, this I give this like a 2.6.
2.6.
Yeah,
Oh
not
my God.
really something.
I think is your lowest rate till now.
Yeah, I had taho geshot with 1 point something. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Uh-huh.
But no, this maybe I don't know if they would have been cooked
Yeah.
better and not with that much sand, you know.
Uh-huh, yeah. I've
And-
washed it before, yeah,
Yeah, wash
properly.
it. Yeah, a bit more. Yeah.
Okay, move on, yeah.
Okay, snail experiment gone wrong.
Gone wrong.
Failed.
Good that you try, you never know.
Yes, ma'am. Crispy macaroni, ma'am. Oh, these are twisted potato chips. Oh,
But they are not fresh.
yes, they are. Look at them. You have not. Ah, I mean, you want fresh from like.
From
Yeah.
potato.
Oh, man. Guys, take a break. Don't work that hard. Take a break, yeah? What else you have? Batagor. Oh, Batagor. We fed Batagor. It's fried fish dumplings, yeah? We try with our friends.
Oh, okay.
Batagor. It was good. Very good, Batagor. Ma'am, it's so bored that she draws something. Yes. Juice you want, ma'am? Juice is here. Oh, don't worry, ma'am. Because we never buy anything. We just look. Shawarma. Oh no, thank you. This is authentic shawarma, yeah. Good. I'm afraid to try it. That authentic it is. Oh. Baso goreng. Oh, baso goreng. No, baso goreng like the one we've had. They were so good, yeah. That night in Sudirman street food, where the young guy was.
Telling us to buy.
Yeah, the local told us to try them.
to
Yeah?
buy.
Those. Yeah, those were good. These things, we don't like these things. I don't know. But when there's jelly and liquid involved, I'm not up for it. I don't like. Well, what this kind of ramen? Oh. Soba. Shoyu ramen. Takoyaki. Oh my god. Brother, what's the best ramen?
Ramen, the spicy one.
Spicy one?
Yeah.
Can I have one, please? Yeah, go pay, yeah, no problem.
Uh-huh.
There's a chair,
Hmm?
small chair. See it right there?
Oh, to sit on this one.
Yeah. It's for it.
Oh, guys. The coolest chair I have ever seen. Look at this. How's business doing? Good or not good?
This one, this ramen
How is
business.
going? Busy, not busy?
Yesterday is really busy.
Yes, Sunday.
Yeah.
Weekend.
Because
That's
it's a
why.
long weekend.
Long weekend. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
from we're busy in Thursday.
Mm.
Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
Friday is low. Saturday and Sunday
Yeah, I was there. Yeah.
the busy one.
No
The
problem.
more busy is Saturday.
Saturday. No problem. 'Cause you can rest now. Yeah, and get ready for next Saturday.
Thankfully, yesterday I had 2 people in here, so I'm not getting tired.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you from?
Romania.
Romanian.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
It's your first time?
First time in Indonesia actually. Yeah.
Oh, from Romanian to
No,
here?
no. We came from the Philippines.
Oh, Philippines.
We travel full time, so
Oh, cool. I'm a travel too.
Hmm?
I'm a travel too sometimes.
yeah, that's good. Yeah. We're loving it. Here in Bandung, oh my God, it's amazing. Man,
Where?
look at my chair, babe.
Oh no, I need to film it now. Wait.
My chair.
Oh my God! So this is Vlad's chair. So he is how many kilos, baby?
I'm like 85.
85, standing on this big chair. Yeah.
I didn't even thought about it.
Oh
I hope I won't destroy it.
no no no! You'll be just go. You'll be okay, baby. Yeah yeah yeah. Oh my God! You look so perfect. This I will do in your house.
Thank you, man. So you'll have them make this kind of chairs, yeah?
Yeah yeah.
This size
It
for me.
fits perfectly for you.
Thank you,
Oh,
man.
what is that?
It's the base, ma'am.
Ah, the base soap.
Soap,
Ah, okay. I'm here ready for you. How is Mary?
First is always this milk taste.
Uh-huh.
Smells good.
Okay.
I mean, it's got a kick to it. Luckily, nothing very super spicy. No?
I mean, I think you get used with the spices now. You are Asian now.
Not necessarily, but yeah. Still struggle with the salty spice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Noodles are different now. Are bigger.
Are good.
Are good?
Yeah.
Okay. How is the broth?
The broth is thick, a bit spicy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. The noodles are a bit too boiled for my taste.
Uh-huh.
I'm not sure what this is. What is this?
Mushroom.
Black one?
No, the brown. This shredded shredded chicken.
Oh, okay. How would you like these noodles in the ramen?
Good.
Okay, huh?
Yeah. Decent.
And the egg.
There you go.
How would you rate this plate?
Give this like a 6.2.
6.2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, compared to a professional,
Yeah. Obviously, yeah.
yeah. Not bad.
Okay. Let me try it as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. You go.
There we go. I mean, it's not that salty.
Mm-hmm.
It's too tomato based.
Yeah, it's like some sort of, yeah.
Not something. Not my taste.
Not for your liking. Oh,
It's spicy. No.
no.
No. I'll give it 3.2.
Okay.
Okay.
Take my money.
Take my money with the chocolate, please.
What is happening? Ah, this is how you cook it.
Like this.
Oven. This is the oven.
Like oven.
Oven,
Yes,
yeah.
but cooking by charcoal. Like
Yeah, yeah, charcoal. Yeah.
But
So
You
That's
put
the
some
butter?
butter.
well, butter, yes.
Butter, yeah.
Butter, yes. Yeah. And processing like this.
Oh.
Okay. Your sorry.
oh, okay. The dough, or
Sorry.
how you call it?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
So fresh made. That's nice, you know. To see they are not bring from home, you know.
Yeah,
Brought from home. All right.
yeah. Nice.
That's so cool. And
Oh
you
my
did
God.
enough for 10. No, yeah, for 10.
For
Wow.
for then. Okay, and
Toppings.
topping like this. Topping chocolate and cheese.
Chocolate and cheese, yeah.
Chocolate and cheese.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
looking
Sorry.
so good.
This looks good.
I like it.
It's good.
You
Cheese, 5 chocolate, 5 cheese. So
Wow, good
And-
idea. This is
Oh.
traditional Indonesian. or-
Sundanese Sundanese cake. Sundanese traditional like this.
Sundanese
Put
cake.
cake pudding,
Cooking,
like
chocolate.
oven and
Oh my.
finish like this.
This is the result. Yeah.
Can we have one chocolate, one cheese?
For you, okay.
Uh-huh. We pay here?
Oh yes.
Okay.
Okay. So.
But 10,000 for 3 maybe.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's
no
okay.
problem, yeah.
Leave it 10,000 for 2, okay?
For 2. Oh, sure. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay, 10,000.
Chocolate one, cheese one.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, yeah?
Thank you for showing us.
Thank you.
Thank you very
And
much.
let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Honest opinion, okay? Let me see.
Honest.
Don't mind it. Oh, this is hot.
Yeah.
I can smell fresh.
But they smells good.
No, this is good. Wow.
No.
This is like vanilla dough, something like that.
You
or
put
how is
you
it?
put something in
Live
in
vanilla.
dough. Something in this in the dough.
In the
Yeah.
dough.
No,
How you make it? The dough? Flour, milk.
milk, egg maybe.
Egg,
Egg,
Mhm.
and vanilla.
Vanilla. Oh,
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay. So.
I could taste vanilla.
Mhm.
This is so good. Oh, I love that. They are fresh, baby.
Try the cheese one.
You need to try them.
Yes. Karohen.
Karohun.
Karohun.
Itu,
Karohun. Oh, Karohun.
Someone in life a long time.
Oh, long time ago. Oh,
Long time ago.
Karohun. Oh.
Wow, if this was long time ago, they ate so good food.
The name is kue balok.
Kue
Balo.
Kue balok.
kue balo.
And
Kue
my
balo.
cake is kue balok.
Kue balo.
But it's so good, sir. Wow. This with cheese is so good as well. It's the same, but cheese on top and change the taste, you know?
Mhm. Yeah.
Wow, baby, you need to try them.
I will, man. Don't worry. Cheers.
Cheers, sir.
Oh.
How it is? Yeah? So good.
I love this.
Me too.
I would eat this every morning.
Yeah.
Breakfast. Very
Oh
good.
yeah.
Back
Yeah,
with
yeah.
tea.
Yeah,
With
maybe,
tea.
with tea,
Oh
coffee,
my
maybe.
god. Yeah, so good.
Mm. Oh,
And you have 3 for 10,000. Oh, perfect.
you should open big restaurant.
Yeah, with this.
Oh, amin.
Sell this. Yeah.
Sell this. They are so good. So
Very
good.
Very good. Oh.
Wow. I didn't expect, you know, to be that top.
Me either, you know, because
You want try half cook maybe?
Half cook? No. No.
these are good.
Good. Yeah.
So we buy more, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll take home.
For morning. Okay. Oh, babe, you bought. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too, brother.
Nice to meet
Oh
you.
my God, guys! So we bought 4 more, you know.
For breakfast. Oh my
I
God.
don't think
No, they will.
they'll see the breakfast, guys. We highly recommend this place. Guys.
Oh my God.
These
Yeah,
gentlemen,
it's so
yeah.
good.
Amazing, honestly, yeah. So
Top.
yeah, come here and show him some love, please.
How would you rate it? Because we forgot to rate it.
Oh, this I give like a 9.9.
Oh, me too.
It's, you know, for being made on the street, you know, by
street,
random, you know, when
It's like in a pastry.
exactly, you feel like a kid again, you know.
Yeah,
It's also gets me that feeling, you know, from the childhood
Yeah,
when
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah,
grandmother
yeah.
used to make goodies for me, you know,
It's
to
same
bake, you know.
in the oven.
Exactly, in her, yeah, like how do you say that? That you made pots out of, babe, you know, and her oven made out of basically mud, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
anyway, yeah,
Traditional.
this is childhood memories for me.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
even the smell, so good. Nice, nice.
Nice.
Wow. These are so good. So we highly recommend you guys this place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Come and show this gentleman love because he deserves. So this is what we're asking, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We would eat way more often on the streets
Yeah.
if the products
Will be
will be good.
quality,
Yeah, quality, you know.
not
And
quantity.
for our taste, I mean, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because
I
this is
mean,
something-
even the chicken, if it's not dry, it's good.
Exactly.
But normally the chicken is
but
dry.
learn how to cook it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Make it
exactly.
fresh, learn how to cook it, and so on, yeah. And
Oh my
you
God.
can have my money.
We are so happy, babe.
Yes.